Welcome to the On Functions module. In this module, you will learn about the Lambda function and the import statement. At the end of this module you will be able to explain the use of Lambda functions and describe how to use the import statement. A class of Python functions that is not restricted to a name and is defined without a name is termed as anonymous function. You cannot declare these functions using the standard def keyword. Instead, the lambda keyword is used to create anonymous functions. Therefore, these functions are also known as lambda functions. The syntax of the lambda function is given on the screen. In this syntax, lambda is the keyword and arguments is any number of arguments. Lambda functions have only one expression, which is evaluated and returned. Let us understand this concept with the help of a program. In the program, lambda num1, num2 semicolon num1 num2 is the lambda function. This function has no name. The features of anonymous lambda functions are lambda functions cannot contain commands and expressions, however, they can take any number of arguments. These return only one value in the form of an expression. You cannot call a lambda function directly to print, as lambda requires an expression. Lambda functions cannot access variables other than those in its parameter list and global namespace. Now, take a look at the program shown on the screen. In the program, lambda num1, num2 num1, num2 is the lambda function. Here num1 and num2 are the function arguments and num1 num2 is the expression that is evaluated and returned. This function has no name. Lambda functions are used when a nameless function is required for a short period of time. These functions can be used along with built-in functions, such as filter map etc. A module can be imported in the Python interpreter and other modules using import statement. Other Python source files can also be imported using import statement. On encountering the module statement, the interpreter imports the module if it is available in the search path. A list of directories where the modules are saved is a search path. As you can see in the figure displayed on the screen, the module show.py is imported using the import keyword. We have called the function display by using the module name.function name, that is show.show, which prints the message sum of 100 and 200 is, along with the output. Once the module is imported, you can use the function and values of module. We have called the function display by using the module that prints the messages given along with the output. The summary of the module on functions has been put on the screen. I will pause for a few seconds to allow you to read it. Internalize this information and apply it to gain mastery over the concepts. In the next chapter, we will discuss lists and tuples managing data systematically. Thanks for watching Functions module. Let us move ahead with next module.